Buyers want the hottest home trends. Here are the top 5 features you need to know that buyers are loving right now. Sustainable features. More and more buyers are looking for energy-efficient appliances, solar panels, and other eco-friendly elements that are good for the environment and can also save money long-term. Open concept floor plans. Open kitchens, dining, and living spaces allow for entertaining and family time. Home buyers love the flexibility and communal feel an open concept provides. Smart home technology. Whether it's smart thermostats, doorbell cameras, or voice assistants, tech-savvy buyers are drawn to homes where they can control features remotely and add convenience to their lifestyles. Walk-in closets. Especially in the primary bedroom, buyers want spacious closets to store and organize all their clothes and accessories. Walk-in closets feel custom, luxurious, and add functionality. And finally, outdoor living space. From patios to poolside cabanas, buyers are searching for homes with room to relax and entertain outdoors. Outdoor kitchens and fire pits are especially popular right now. There you have it, 5 huge home trends that buyers are loving. Does your home have these coveted features? If not, they could be great selling points to highlight in your listing if you're thinking of putting your house on the market soon.